Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're doing another model scenery kit. This time we're looking at the Metcalfe industrial unit in N scale, and the product code is PN185, and it's a rather nice looking building. It's a bit more basic in my opinion, but still it does look appropriate for an industrial unit. So yeah, very nice. And on the back it's quite basic. It's only a little small kit, but still nice to have a go at. Anyway, let's have a look on the inside of what we get. And yeah, here's the instruction sheet. It's it's 4 pages. I said it's very basic, but yeah, let's do things properly. So yeah, let's have a look. We have sheet A, which is a printed parts kit, which is right here. Open it up, and again, it's basic, but we have all the pieces which we need there. We have sheet B, which is even more printed parts. Again, not too many pieces. Pop you there. We have the grey card inner support card, which is, well, as you can see, still not many pieces. You can see a theme here. And then we have the glazing sheet, which has about it has 6 bits of glazing to put on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me just pop these back over here in the right order so I know where they are. So there they are. And yeah, the parts and the not parts, the tools which we need is actually, let me just turn this right around. There we go. So we need a modeler's knife. I'll be using my usual box cutter knife, which works just as well. Sharp pair of scissors. Not quite sharp, but they'll do. Steel ruler. This is a steel ruler, so yep, that works. Glue. I'll be using my UHU glue. Very sticky and gets everywhere. It does say ultra fine tip glue applicator, but I won't be bothering with that. A cutting surface, which I've got just underneath there. I'll probably should get a new one. And a fine point tweezers. It's I've got here, which will work just nicely. So I'll pop you back over there. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. Painting edges, which I don't bother to do. But you can use some watercolor paints or some felt tip pens, and it does show you how to do it just down there. And it does recommend setting out every piece and building a builder's yard where all the pieces are laid out. However, I like to keep things all neat and tidy and keep them onto the actual sheets until I need them. But I do put in all the windows as recommended. So yeah, that's the first thing we do, which is put in all the windows where you need them. So yeah, doesn't seem, like I said, it doesn't really seem all that difficult really, because it's an industrial unit. It's a box-shaped building, so you get what you pay for, really. So yeah, in fact, you do build a box. So yeah, this shouldn't take me too long. I want to say it's probably going to take me about half hour at most. I don't think it will take me that long. However, there may be something awkward which may pop up, so at most an hour. Absolutely at most an hour, but I don't reckon I'll take that long. So yeah, but I do think that this would be something which you could make many of and put them side by side, and then make a industrial complex or something. So yeah, I don't actually mind them not taking too long, because if you want more of them, yeah, you want something basic to put together. So anyway, I'm going to stop going on and get to work putting it all together. So yeah, I'll see you in a little short while. So I'll pop you there, stay, and yeah, see you in a bit. yeah, that took about 30 minutes. As yeah, pretty much all the glue's all set, and yeah, it's all done. Yeah, still it's a rather nice little kit, and I suspect that it's easy because you would want to build a lot of these for like a industrial park, just so you've got everything here, there, and everywhere. Do need to sort out a bit of this surround over here, but yeah, it's turned out rather nice. As always, I've left off the signs because this will probably go in a giveaway, so anybody who wants it will have a choice of signs to have. Yeah, nice little kit. And I said if you get a couple of them, it still won't take you too long. So each one's about 30 minutes long, so you probably do the maths for that. So yeah, very happy with it. The only thing which I did get a bit confused of is the little office on the inside here. As I thought you had to build a box. No, you just had to build half a box and then glue it in. So yeah, a little bit confused about that, but after reading the instructions a bit more clearly, yeah, you just need to fold them in, not try to build a box and work out why one side's too long. Yeah. Yeah, very happy with it, and didn't cost all that much. I think it was only about, I think it was less than a tenner. I think this one was only about £7. I want to put £7.50, something like that. It wasn't too much, but like I said, you're not really building too much. Like I said, it's a box with a smaller box on the inside with some colourful bits all over it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, if you do like the well, say that's the end of the video. So if you do like the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, hope you enjoyed it anyway. And do let me know down below what you think of this little industrial unit. There's a couple of things which you probably could do to customise it. You can probably have the door a little pin, because there is a bit of space for that, and you can probably cut it down. And then you probably put stuff on the inside, and obviously put things all over. Yeah, that's what I'll do anyway, after tidying it up. Anyway, take care everyone. See you all again next time. Bye.